Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to insert existing work items and full work item hierarchies into a smart doc, individually, in groups, and as complete parent-child trees. Let's start by creating a new smart doc, giving it a name, selecting your template, and clicking OK. Your document opens with the root level epic. Let's start inserting existing work items from our project. Click the column settings icon in the top right and select Insert Work Items from the side pane. The Add Work Items dialog opens. You have two options to find work items, by query or by searching using an ID or title. Let's use a query. Select Sprint 5 from the Query dropdown and click Run Query. All work items in that query load in the grid below, showing their ID and title. Now let's insert a single feature first. Select it from the grid and drag and drop it into your document at the desired position. Now let's add multiple work items at once. Select multiple user stories from the grid, then drag and drop them all together under the feature in your document. All selected work items are inserted at once, saving you significant time. Furthermore, as you drag, notice the color indicator. A green highlight means that position is valid for that work item type. A red highlight means that position is not allowed based on your template hierarchy. Always drop on a green highlight to ensure the correct structure. Now, let's look at inserting a full work item hierarchy in one go. In the Add Work Items dialog, check the checkbox that says Select all work items in hierarchy on selecting a node. Now, click on any feature from the query results. You will see that all features, user stories, and child work items nested under that epic are automatically selected along with it. Drag and drop the entire selection into your document. The complete hierarchy, features, user stories, and all children is inserted at once with the correct numbering and parent-child structure intact. This is especially powerful when you need to pull an entire sprint or release's worth of work items into a requirements document without building the structure manually. These are living work items. Every work item you insert is directly connected to Azure DevOps in real time. Whenever a title, description, state, or any field is updated in Azure DevOps, it reflects immediately in your smart doc. Your document always stays up to date automatically. And that is how you insert individual work items, groups, and full work item hierarchies into a smart doc in Modern Requirements Next Gen. Thanks for watching.